one of the tactics which Shaitan uses, he tries to portray bad deeds, evil deeds, negative deeds as attractive, beneficial. You get pleasure, you get do this and that actually. And he portrays the good deeds as very difficult. You have to sacrifice, you have to give time, money. No, you are always getting better in exchange. Like I was saying, if your phone is not working, you get a new phone from the company. Is that actually a bad exchange? Or is it beneficial exchange? So what is the deen of Islam? That actually every evil, every harmful act of the body, mind, heart, you are replaced with actually good.